Hey there, future crypto kings and queens. Ever feel like traditional money is, well, a little outdated? Enter cryptocurrency digital money that's changing the game. Imagine sending money across the world faster than you can say blockchain. That's the power of crypto. It's decentralized, meaning no banks or governments are calling the shots. It's all about secure, transparent transactions thanks to this cool tech called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that tracks every transaction. Some popular ones you've probably heard of are Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's about freedom, security, and the potential for life-changing returns. It's about taking control of your financial future and being part of a global revolution. Ready to dip your toes into the crypto pool? Awesome. First, choose the right cryptocurrency to invest in. It's like picking stocks, but you're investing in digital assets. Research and understand different cryptocurrencies. Don't just follow trends. What problem does it solve? Check the team behind the project. Do they have a solid track record? A strong team is crucial. Community support is important. Is there a vibrant community? A strong community indicates long-term viability. Check the market capitalization. Market cap is the total value of all coins. Larger market cap means more stability. Consider price history and volatility. Has the price been stable or volatile? Understanding past performance gives insights into future potential. Now let's talk strategy. Cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term game. One popular strategy is hodling, which basically means holding onto your cryptocurrency for the long haul, even when the market gets bumpy, and trust me, it will. Another strategy is dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum all at once, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This helps to mitigate the risk of buying high and selling low. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. And just like with any investment, it's crucial to have an exit strategy. When will you sell? What price are you targeting? Having a plan in place can help you make rational decisions, even in the heat of the moment. The key takeaway here is to be patient, stay informed, and don't let emotions dictate your investment decisions. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 4. Shielding your stash, managing investment risks. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile market, which means there are risks involved. But hey, no risk, no reward, right? The key is to be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them. One major risk is security. Cryptocurrency is digital, which means it's vulnerable to hacking. Protect your investments by using secure wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. Market volatility is another risk factor. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly, so be prepared for a roller coaster ride. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Scams are also prevalent in the crypto space. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and do your due diligence before investing in any project. Regulation is another area to keep an eye on. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrency, and changes in regulations could impact the market. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against risk. Stay informed, be cautious, and don't be afraid to seek advice from reputable sources. Section 5. Starting small, dreaming big tips for beginners. Ready to dive into the world of crypto investing? Awesome! My advice? Start small. Don't go all in right away. Dip your toes in the water with a small investment to get a feel for the market. Remember, you can always invest more later on. Next up, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is basically a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Do your research and choose an exchange that's secure, reliable, and offers a user-friendly interface. Once you've chosen an exchange, take the time to learn how it works. Understand the different order types, fees, and security features. Knowledge is power, remember? And lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. The crypto community is full of helpful and knowledgeable people. Join online forums, attend webinars, and connect with other crypto enthusiasts. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Section 6. Buckle up, Buttercup, the future of cryptocurrency. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, technologies, and regulations. Keep an eye on the news, follow industry experts on social media, and never stop learning. The future of cryptocurrency is full of potential, but it's also uncertain. Will Bitcoin remain the king of crypto? Will Ethereum's upgrades revolutionize decentralized finance? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's already changing the way we think about money, finance, and the global economy. So buckle up, Buttercup, because the ride's just getting started. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my thoughts. Do your own research and make informed investment decisions.